Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Let the world soften around you, just like the tide smoothing the edges of the sand. As you breathe, imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach. Before you lies a small hut made of smooth stones, each one placed with care, with love. A simple creation, yet filled with meaning. Notice the stillness in this moment, the sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the softness of the breeze. This heart, resting gently on the sand, reminds you that love doesn't need to be grand to be powerful. Love can be as simple as a small act, a kind word, a shared smile, or a child placing stones together, one by one, with intention and joy. Each stone is a part of a larger whole, just as every moment of kindness builds the heart of your life. Let your breath move like the tide, in and out, calm and steady. Let your mind rest here in the sacred simplicity. Now, with each breath, imagine placing your own stone into this heart. A stone of gratitude, a stone of peace, a stone of love. Feel the energy of connection to the earth beneath you, to the love around you, to the quiet wisdom within you. Take one last deep breath, and as you exhale, let your heart expand, open, grounded, and full of gentle love. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. Like stones forming a heart, let your actions today shape love into the world.